Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You will add a folder to favorites by moving it into the Favorites section. First, open Outlook Desktop and make sure you are in Mail. This method works there only. Once done, scan the left-hand Mail folder's pane and confirm the folder you want is visible. If Favorites isn't shown, expand the folder list so you can see it. Now position your mouse over the folder name. Keep your focus, because in the next step you will drag and drop to place it into Favorites. You will drag the folder into Favorites. This is the action that creates the shortcut. Click and hold the folder you chose, then move the pointer straight up into the Favorites section. As you approach, Outlook will highlight the drop area, release to add the folder as a favorite. Once placed, you can reorder items inside Favorites by dragging them to new positions. This only changes shortcuts, not original folders. Make sure to drop exactly where you want the item to appear to keep your shortcuts organized. Finish by clicking the new Favorites entry to confirm it opens the correct mailbox folder. This verifies success. If you need to remove it, right-click the favorite and choose Remove from Favorites. This deletes only the shortcut, not the folder. If dragging fails or Favorites isn't visible, go to the View menu, choose Folder pane, and enable Favorites, then retry the drag. If Outlook behaves oddly, restart the app. Make sure synchronization finishes before retrying to avoid temporary display glitches.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.